Hello everyone. So there I left two more functions which I want to show you. It's about event listener which I didn't show you yet. So let's start with the event listener here. So how we can work with event listener in jQuery. So what I want to do, when I will click here, so it shows something on console. So for that I will write a dollar and give a write input and here give eq1 dot on and give a click and write down a function. Give a console.log and write hello, this is jQuery. So when I will click here, it's working. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to fade it out all when I will click here, on click here. So how I can achieve it, give a div here, select everything, every element, and that's it. Now I want to fade out element when I do a mouse enter or mouse out. So I'm showing you a mouse enter, similar like you can work with mouse out, double click and so on, but I'm showing you mouse enter. Okay, so here I will write eq, and instead of using this single button, I will make fade out button. So write down a fade out. Now it's your second one, and give a function and write down mouse enter, and in this function give fade out within 1 second. So fade out is not defined. So why is not defined? Let me check. So it's not defined because I didn't mention any of a container yet, which I am working on. So give a class and write down a class name. Here give a fade out. So in dot container I want to fade out and it will work. That's it. Now it will work. Okay, so that's how we can work with event listeners in jQuery. So that's it for now. Thank you.